Ideogram just dropped their first ever open-weight image model, ranked #1 on Design Arena. NVIDIA's Cosmos 3 handles text, image, video, audio, and robot actions all in one model. Microsoft launched 7 in-house AI models in one go. There's a TTS model that outperforms 11 Labs, a video system that generates 24 hours of footage non-stop, a tool that fills in what's outside your video frame, and a 3D avatar from a single photo. And a robot roundhouse kicked a kid on Children's Day. You're watching WhatsNextAI. Ideogram just released their first open-weight image model, Ideogram 4. Previous versions were all closed and proprietary. It's ranked #1 open-weight on Design Arena and #6 overall on LMArena, the only open-weight model in the top 10. Built specifically for design, best-in-class multilingual text rendering, precise object and text placement, native transparency, style control, and native 2K resolution. The kind of features professional designers actually need. And there's a full editing suite built in. Remove backgrounds, edit with a plain text prompt, add text layers, all without rebuilding from scratch. Open source on GitHub and Hugging Face. Available via API, MCP, and app. NVIDIA's Cosmos 3 is an omnimodal world model. Text, images, video, audio, and physical actions, all in one unified architecture, not a collection of separate models stitched together. One model that understands and generates across every modality at once. It reasons over a scene, plans a trajectory, then generates video with matching audio. Watch this. Give it a task, it thinks through the steps and produces the output. And it goes beyond content creation. Give it a robot task and it translates what it sees into actions. Pick up the banana, place it on the plate. It plans and executes. Ranked #1 open source text to image and image to video. Code on GitHub. Weights on Hugging Face. YOLO26 is the latest vision model from Ultralytics. Object detection, segmentation, classification, pose estimation, and oriented detection, all in one unified real-time pipeline. No swapping between models per task. Watch this. Pothole detection running live on road footage, flagging every crack in real time. You can try it yourself. Drag any image in, results back instantly. This street shot picks up a bus and 3 people. Confidence scores on the right. It applies across industries, automotive, retail, healthcare, logistics, and more. All the same model. Code on GitHub. Weights available now. Miso 1 is an open-sourced 8 billion parameter voice model from Miso Labs, one of the most expressive TTS models out there. It emotes like a human, handling emotion shifts, dramatic pacing, and natural delivery. Let's listen to these.
NBA teams that won a championship with no superstars. Back in 2004, nobody thought that the Detroit Pistons were title contenders.
I'm honestly in love with him, and I'm so tired of pretending that I'm not. You know, I just don't really get it why people don't approve of the age gap thing, you know? Like, if we want to date, just let us date.
So we want to find the derivative of the function log of x squared. We can do this with the chain rule.
I know. You don't have to explain it. Just stay on the line with me.
It can also do one-shot voice cloning from just a 10-second clip with voice consistency locked throughout.
Say that we have a function log of x squared and we want to find the derivative of this function. The first thing we can notice is that we can write it as a composition of functions.
It responds at 110 milliseconds faster than human reaction time, outperforming 11 Labs and Sesame. That's what makes a voice agent feel alive. Code is live on GitHub with API access available as well. HL-OutPaint takes any video and expands it beyond its original frame. At high resolution, over long sequences, most outpainting tools struggle with large expansions or long clips. This one handles both. Input a 512 by 512 clip, output a full 2560 by 2560 canvas. 5 times the original size. Drag through the samples. Everything off screen before is now fully filled in. Consistent scene, motion, and lighting, no visible seams. Works even across 1,000 plus frames without drifting. Compare it against the competition. Infinite canvas distorts. VACE adds wrong content. HL-OutPaint fills in everything cleanly. Code and weights haven't dropped yet. Big news from Microsoft. They just launched a family of 7 in-house AI models built entirely from scratch. The family covers every modality. Thinking 1 for complex reasoning beats Sonnet 4.6 in blind test. Code 1, Flash for agentic coding, built into GitHub Copilot. Image 2.5, and its Flash variant for text-to-image and editing. I covered more details in last week's video. Check out the link below. Transcribe 1.5 for best-in-class transcription across 43 languages.
So for the next phase, Sean will take care of the documentation, OIF, right? She'll handle the user testing sessions.
Voice 2 for natural speech in 15 languages.
So I was just standing there, right? And then, oh my God, she actually said it to his face.
Hä? Warum schicken die mir eine Mahnung? Das macht keinen Sinn. Ich habe das doch schon vor 2 Wochen bezahlt.
अरे यार धीरे बोल कोई सुन लेगा तो पूरा सरप्राइज ही लीक हो जाएगा.
With everything on the line, the egret makes its move. Slow through the shallows, watching, waiting, and it's a sudden strike. Got it!
They also introduced Frontier Tuning. Train a model on your own company data and workflows. Their XL-tuned model matches GPT-5 at 10 times lower cost. Try them now at its playground. Most avatar tools work in batch. You wait for the full video to render before you see anything. StreamChar from Alibaba generates and streams simultaneously. Frames arrive as they're created, like a live feed. And because it's streaming, you can interact with the character mid-generation, not just watch a pre-rendered clip. What's impressive is it all runs on a single GPU. Type a prompt and a transcript. It streams back a fully animated speaking character with lip-sync audio locked in. You also control body motions across streaming chunks. Script a sequence, stir the cup, thumbs up, brush hair, and the character executes them naturally as it speaks. Code and weights not yet available. The biggest frustration with AI image generators isn't the model, it's the prompt. Write it badly and you get wrong object counts, broken spatial relations, weird attributes. A PE from NVIDIA fixes this. A lightweight open model that rewrites your prompt before it even hits the generator. Watch this. A skateboard above a person. The original gets it completely wrong. Ape rewrites it and nails the positioning. 4 donuts. Original misses the count. APE gets it right. A PE runs in 2 modes, SAPE for quick single-pass rewrites, MAPE for complex compositional prompts using a router rewriter composer pipeline. Both post-train on top of small open models like Qwen 3. Same base model, dramatically better prompts. Code and weights coming soon. Echo Infinity is a video generation system that produces a 24-hour video in real time, not a short clip stitched together, a continuous 1.3 million frame generation from a single prompt with stable visual quality throughout. The trick is a learnable evolving memory system that compresses past frames as it goes, so compute stays constant no matter how long the video runs. Watch the 24-hour demos. Fluffy cats, astronauts, golden retriever puppies. Each one is a single unbroken generation. Hours of video, consistent identity, no drift. You can also switch prompts mid-generation. Same character, new instructions. It remembers what came before and keeps going. Code on GitHub. Model on Hugging Face. HumanNOVA takes a single photo and generates a fully animatable photorealistic 3D human avatar in under a second. No manual rigging, no studio setup, no 3D knowledge needed. One image in a complete 3D character out with clothing, body shape, and pose all preserved from the original. It handles diverse body shapes, different clothing styles, varied poses, even stylized characters. The output isn't just a static mesh. It's a fully animatable character you can pose, move, and drop straight into a 3D environment. Colab notebook available and code on GitHub. Try it with your own photo. NVIDIA just announced the Isaac GR00T reference Humanoid, the first open humanoid robot reference design built for research. It combines the Unitree H2 body, Sharpa Robotics 5-fingered hands for dexterous manipulation, Jetson Thor onboard compute, and Isaac GR00T's open software and models. Everything in one package. The idea is a full-stack open platform, from data capture all the way to model deployment. Researchers get the complete stack to build on. No proprietary lock-in. This is NVIDIA going all in on open robotics. A robot in a blue wig doing karate at a Children's Day event. Watch carefully. It goes through the moves: punch, block, kick, then roundhouse kicks a kid clean in the stomach. No hesitation, no remorse, just perfect execution. We keep saying robots are getting more capable, more precise, more autonomous. This video is proof. They do exactly what they're built to do, every time, without exception. We're officially one software update away from Terminator. That's everything for this week. If you found a tool worth trying, drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want this every week. This is What's Next AI. See you in the next one.